Bluebird Part 2 by Josh W., Micah, and Bob Stink. The bluebird is going to heaven while the other birds are carrying the boy, and the girl and the boy looks very surprised. While Bluebird is up there, he sees many things, but at first he sees nothing. When he's up there, he steadily flies through the rain. When he's up there, he finds his mom, his dead mom in bird heaven. He tells her the story how he died. In bird heaven, he plays and goes through rings and different stuff, but then he sees nothing again. To see what happened next, what happened to the bluebird next, read the next story of Bluebird Part 3.